Guys, unbox with me my Alipearl Halo wig, frontal wig, bleached knots, pre-plucked and tinted. 250% density. The packaging was so cute. Of course, they come with their lashes, a wig cap, their lace band, some sticky tape and bands. They also put in a cute mirror and a edges brush and a cute satin bag. But let's get into this wig now. The curls were soft and luscious, and I can't believe how well it's been bleached and tinted. It was literally melting on my hand without even any melt. Okay, so I was really excited to try this. This is my first pre-braided frontal wig that I've ever received. I'm not really a frontal fan, but this was a shock. So I just put on the wig and automatically you can see the blend. Of course, I haven't stuck it down, but you can just see how fitted it was to my head. I did have to measure it and cut some so it could measure to my head shape. So I just snipped the sides of where the ears are so that it fits nice and snug. I'm in awe. Sorry, I am actually in awe, guys. This wig looked amazing. I was doubting myself at first because I thought I can't really style this myself, but it was really, really easy. So I just cut off the excess bit so that the hair would fit nicely but behind my ears. So after pulling the wig, adjusting it to where I want it to sit, I just cut off the excess baby hairs because I felt the baby hairs were a bit too long, and I just cut it diagonally. So where I want baby hairs, I put it in, and where I didn't want, I took them out. But the baby hairs are really cute and they put it in really good places. Just went in with my Ebin Hold spray. You can choose to glue this down, but for this video I chose to just stick it down with Ebin, which does the same job. Just spray a bit on the lace and then give it a blow dry. It was stuck. It was melting, child. I didn't have to do anything. I thought I'd have to tint it myself, but need to do this, but I'm just going to add like some bronzer and just dab it in to give the blend a more, match the lace to my skin tone a bit more. I feel like it already matches perfectly fine. I'm just being extra. But do you know what gets me every single time? It's low maintenance wigs, and this is the reason why if I'm gonna wear a full lace frontal, it needs to be as easy as this wig was to put on. Like, it didn't take me a good hour. It barely took me 30 minutes. So that is what I'm talking about. So, and there we have it, guys. 24-inch curls, halo styled, pre-styled frontal wig from Alipearl hair. Gorgeous. I love it. It's soft, guys. Look. I wish you guys could touch it. Yeah, amazing, gorgeous. It makes me feel different because I'm just so used to the one middle part closure wig. This for a frontal is amazing. Every single detail will be in the description box, guys. Please open it. If you want to know how the hair's holding up, please feel free to message me or simply go on my Instagram, because I will be taking this wig with me on holiday. It's going in my suitcase. And I will be taking pictures in it and using it as one of my occasional wigs because I love how it feels and how it looks. For a pre-made wig from an AliExpress company, it's given. This is the full length of the hair. So it's just here. It's gorgeous, guys. And they've already bleached the knots, so I didn't have to bleach the knots. It's just had to spray it with the Ebin. If you want to use glue, use glue. I love Ebin. It holds it just as well as glue, in my opinion. But wow, I'm impressed. I am impressed with Alipearl. And I've had a really long relationship with Alipearl hair. I've been reviewing their hairs for like a good almost 10 years. So they're only upgrading and getting better as far as I can see. So yeah.